Just can't wait. Oh boy, I just can't wait for history class. It's my favorite hour of the day. Up on the chalkboard, I just love your ass. When you write notes, it shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. So when you get back my pop quiz, what will you think when you read this? Mr. Watson, I want to get with you. I won't tell
Let me say yeah.
So never mind what you gonna do. Easy come the way you go. I never find what I'm looking for. Easy done, but give me more time. 3 times, 2 times, 3 times. So don't you mind what you gonna do? Easy come the way you go. I'll never find what I'm looking for.